Hey everyone, I'm Rob Anderson with GrapeID. So 3 years ago, I was extremely frustrated with passwords. I just had so many of them. Over the years, it's even gotten worse. Right now, I have 297 passwords. So here are my top 6 frustrations with passwords. Number 1 are password rules. Every website has its own set of rules, and right when you think you've created the perfect password, it says, nope, you need a symbol, a character. It has to be more than 10 characters or less than 10 characters long. Ugh. Number 2 are verification codes. Whenever you create passwords, they usually send you an email verification or a text verification. You have to copy that code and paste it into a website or an app. Number 3, two-factor authentication. Every time you log in, you have to copy a temporary code that was sent to you via text or email and paste that into a browser or app. And if you don't want to do that, then you have to download another app, an authenticator app, and copy that code and paste it into the browser or app. And number 4 are security questions. Things like, what's your mother's maiden name? What's the last 4 of your social? Etc. And number 5 is managing all that, your passwords, your security codes, your two-factor authentication, and temporary verification codes. Like, do you just keep it all in your brain and use some magical algorithm? Or do you use a spreadsheet? Or do you use a password manager? And number 6 is lack of control. Businesses force us to create passwords. That's why the average business person has 159 passwords. They don't choose to have it. Look, I'm tech savvy. I can do all this stuff. It just takes so much time. It takes hours and hours to verify and create and manage and spreadsheets and ugh. What I want is just a simple, secure way to log in to any website I want from any device. That's exactly what GrapeID does. It allows you to use your smartphone to simply scan a QR code on a website, and then it instantly logs you in. And if you don't want to use your smartphone all the time to scan, you just use the browser plugin. No usernames, password verification codes, no password managers or authenticator apps. All of that is handled in the GrapeID app. And not only does it make your life way simpler, it makes it at least 10 times more secure. So if you want to learn, if you want to try it out, just click the button below. And also, I've got a special offer for you if you want to upgrade to GrapeID Premium. Also, just click the link below. I'm Rob, and I hope to see you in future videos.